Hi, and welcome to Stokes Music Studios. My name is Michael Burton, and I'm the drum instructor here in Greer, South Carolina, and today I'm going to teach you how to play the drums. So if you haven't seen my first video, go back and watch that. Today, all I'm going to do is try and show you variables of that first rhythm that I taught. The first rhythm I'll go over real quick. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Making sure your bass drum, your snare drum, and your hi-hat are all synchronized. Now, with playing drums, I relate it to a lot like playing with Legos. You have your foundation beat, and then you stack things on top of it. So here's a great example. If I'm playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, all I'm going to do is add an extra bass drum, stacking it to make it into an incredibly new beat. Notice that my bass drum is now playing on 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, just like any beat you practice, you want to get a lot of repetitions with it. You don't just want to try it once or twice and once you got it, you say you're done. You want to try it at slow speeds, at fast speeds, right in the middle somewhere. Throw it on different type of orchestrations too, if you want to try it on your ride cymbal. I'll show you that beat slowed down in more of a somber type of rhythm. And now this time sped up some. Once you get that nice and well oiled, it's going to be a great rhythm to throw into your bag of tricks that you can bring out. Play with almost any song that you play. There are millions of songs out there that you can play this rhythm to. If you love what you see and you find yourself wanting more, you can come see me in person at Stokes Music Studios in Greer, South Carolina. I do one-on-one individual lessons, really making sure that you're playing the rhythms right and giving you guidance along the way. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing.